Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here. How you all doing? Hope everyone is well. So today we are doing some ivy clearance. As you know, we love clearing ivy. Well, that sound Australian then. We love clearing ivy. Might cut that bit. But yeah, so before we get started, I want to say a huge thank you to those of you that have subscribed to the channel. Honestly, thumbs up to you. It means so much to us. We're blown away. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers and we've only been going about 6.5 months. So, and that's you. It really does boost us, you know, brings us joy, like, because, you know, it's quite an achievement to have that many people following you, you know. So thank you. And a massive thank you as well to those of you that bought us a coffee on Buy Me a Coffee. Your names will appear here in a minute. Thank you very much for that. Appreciate that so much. Your generosity it's beautiful. But yeah, so well, before we crack on, if you enjoy the content and you think we're worthy of a like button or subscribing, please do. That'd be awesome. And also, if you fancy clicking the notification bell, if you enjoyed it that much and you want to know when our next videos are coming up, the notification bell will alert you. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's crack on. So if you remember, we peeled all the ivy off this, and we also pruned this apple tree here, which is starting to bud, which is lovely. But all this ivy here needs to come off now. This all just goes in and out. Just looks a bit naff. So we're going to get in and see what we can do. Let's do this.
Fifteen, 20 years possibly.
This is aged ivy and the finest.
Huh?
Aged ivy is the finest.
It's like whiskey. 25 years.
We're good in wine.
Got the spiders and wasps.
They're helpful, isn't it?
It's quite the sting. Hold that back while I just
Told me away how this is.
I don't actually know. attractive stuff.
As you can see, the fence is obviously not in the best of conditions. You've got a load of ivy on the other side of the fence as well, holding it up. But it might be a case where the fence has to be replaced at one point. But the ivy had to be removed because it was just starting to, you can see that camellia there, it's all starting to get in and strangle that, so it's not any good for the plants that she's got. Here's a tree, did last time. Yeah, the buds are coming anyway, so it's quite nice. We should have a nice crop, hopefully. We'll see. Right, come to a halt. I think we've got a couple of, we've got a bird's nest in here somewhere, so we're not going to carry on taking it out just because it's quite a thick area. Normally when ivy, you know, ivy's not that thick, but in there it's quite thick, so I think there's birds in there. I keep seeing them going in and out. So I'm not going to use the hedge trimmer or take anything else off, basically past this camellia here, and we'll just let them do their thing, let them do their nest and stuff. I don't want to disturb them. I can hear a lot of birds about today. They're probably watching me. Rightio, let's start just sort of clearing up a little bit. I mean, it's not too bad, the fence is obviously falling to bits and stuff, but I was kind of hoping to get all the way across today, but because it's such a thick area in there, and I have sort of seen, as been going on, evidence of old nests and stuff, so as I started getting along the way, we're a little bit thicker, so obviously just out of respect to the little birdies, we're just going to leave it for the minute and let them, I think they're normally finished around about May time anyway, so we'll finish it off in May. But it's looking better. Definitely needs a new fence there, to be honest, because that is rotten, but I think it's the neighbour's fence. This is not her fence, it's the neighbour's, she seems to think, so yes, let's do this. So we are going to stop there. There's still little bits of like dead stuff on there, but we're going to get a hard brush on that. I've only got a soft brush in the van, and I need to get a nice sort of, did have a wire brush, but I took it out of the van, so I need to get something like a wire brush just to brush all the dead bits that are, you know, you can probably see them on the fence and stuff. Just brush them off. They're just basically dried dead bits, so we'll do that next time. But yeah, this is just one of my regular visits, which I normally do. So but we need to get on top of the garden now, start getting some weeding done. Yeah, we'll leave that section there for the time being, but you know, it looks better, but it obviously, you can see it needs work. You know, the fence needs a new fence. It needs a new fence, but yeah. All right guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, sorry it was a bit difficult camera angle because there's stuff in the way of the fence, so it's not really that clear, but we appreciate you watching anyway, and if you enjoyed it, consider liking and subscribing, that'd be awesome, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.